Want to turn your photo into a cute chibi character in a diorama style, like this, without using any apps or spending a single cent? Yup, totally free, and all you need is ChatGPT. Let me show you how. I've already prepared a special prompt that tells ChatGPT exactly what to do. You'll find it in the description box. But don't just copy and paste it right away. Make sure you tweak a few parts to fit your photo and preferences, especially those 4 text sections I've pointed out. They're super important for the final result. Once you're done editing, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Once you're there, tap the little plus icon in the bottom left corner. Next, choose Photo Library, and go ahead. Pick a photo of yourself that you want to transform. Now here's the fun part. Paste the prompt into the chat box and hit send. Then, just wait a few minutes. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes there's a bit of a queue, so be patient. When it's done, bam! You'll get your very own chibi character in a cute little diorama scene. If you love how it turned out, just tap and hold the image. Open it in a new tab. And from there, tap and hold again to download it. Easy. So yeah, who needs expensive apps when ChatGPT's got your back? Try it out and let me know how your chibi version looks in the comments. See ya in the next one.